We are in a new digital era. Electrification, digitization, and artificial intelligence are taking hold, creating new opportunities and reshaping how we live and work. At the core of this transformation are data centers, which are facing growing pressure to meet soaring demand while maintaining maximum efficiency and uptime. To achieve this, maintaining critical components like UPSs is crucial. But traditional asset management strategies are falling short. What if you could elevate your operational strategy with a trusted services provider offering a comprehensive portfolio of best-in-class data center solutions? Meet EcoCare for three-phase UPS, a next-generation services membership plan designed to help keep your UPS running smoothly and maximize operational uptime. With EcoCare, you get priority access to technical expertise and support, both on-site and remotely, backed by predefined SLAs and advanced AI-powered analytics. We capture critical UPS data points including temperature, wear, and aging parameters. This data feeds our EcoStruxure IoT platform, where remote experts in our connected services hub perform 24/7 proactive monitoring and alarming at a component level. They also deliver valuable recommendations and insights into your operations. From the day your UPS is connected, a customer success manager becomes your go-to coach and trusted advisor, working with you to create a success plan and monitoring its progress. And if an issue is detected, that's why we monitor asset status continuously, so we can analyze the alarms, identify critical issues, and notify you. If this happens, we'll begin remote troubleshooting. And if that's not enough, we'll dispatch a Schneider Electric qualified services representative to your site, equipped with a remote diagnosis to fix the issue faster and help to reduce mean time to repair. Powered by advanced analytics and our exclusive indexes, EcoCare provides continuous insights into the overall health of your UPS and the remaining useful life of critical components. This can help reduce premature replacements, optimizing costs, and avoiding carbon emissions. EcoCare helps reduce on-site interventions by up to 50%. How? Through continuous monitoring and data collected from the field, you can extend the period between your maintenance visits from 1 to up to 2 years by switching to condition-based maintenance. And that's not all. With EcoCare, you get access to the My Schneider portal, where you can view your assets, contract and warranty status, schedule on-site services, access reports, chat online for technical support, and more. You can also leverage specialized training, either online or on-site, to empower your team and help develop their skills. Take your data center and operations to the next level with a digital, proactive asset management strategy that helps maximize life cycle, provides expert support, and helps reduce on-site interventions. Choose EcoCare for three-phase UPS.